Erin here, bringing you some exciting news. Initially debuted at EAA AirVenture in Oshkosh, Wisconsin, this highly anticipated new product from Phillips 66 Lubricants is now available to order from PetroleumServiceCompany.com. Victory AW20W50 is an ashless dispersant multi-grade engine oil specifically formulated for year-round use in aircraft piston engines. It offers all the benefits of XC20W50 with a huge plus. It's pre-blended with the proper concentration of Lycoming anti-scuff, anti-wear additive. You can find this new multi-grade lubricant at PetroleumServiceCompany.com, where it's available in two sizes, cases of 12 1-quart bottles or 55-gallon drums. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. For Petroleum Service Company, I'm Erin, and thanks for watching.